What's happening, guys? This is both of my Milwaukee Gen 3 3404s, and this one has the 2.0, this one has the 1.5. I got the 2.5, I got the 5 amp hour high output, and I got the 4. How big a difference does the battery make? These are all pretty much identical even. I'll show you how the 6.0 too. Give me 1 second. So we're going to see how big of a difference the battery makes. And for time's sake, we're going to see in the field and professional setting what battery should you use. And that was Speed 2 drill mode with the 1.5. We'll switch it up. Speed 2 drill mode with the fully charged 2 amp hour battery. There we go. That seems like a pretty big difference. Let's see if 2.5 can get any farther. Fully charged. Speed 2 drill mode still. You guys can see that. Here we go. Huh. Seems to be getting better. This is still Speed 2 drill mode. We'll jump up to the 4. Speed 2 drill mode, fully charged, 4 amp hour battery. It seems like I'm not even going to finish the rest of them. You can just see that battery matters. I say get the bigger battery for your M12 tool if you're just being cheap. You already invested this much money, you might as well get the right tool or the right battery to run your tool with. Speed 2 for the 5 amp hour high output. Seems like it did a lot better. Just a pretty big difference in power. None that you have to, and I ain't telling you what to do, but I use it professionally and I get the best.